Hi guys, Adele from Marriage Helper here. So I often speak to my clients about doing smart contact or pies from a mechanical place versus a genuine place, authentic. And what I mean by that is we do smart contact because Marriage Helper told me to. I do smart contact because they say it's going to work. I do it because it's the right thing to do. But the problem with that is you have lived with this person for a period of time. Anything over a year is a long time. And so they know you. They know you really well. So if you are faking smart contact, they will see right through it. Rather than doing it because it's the right thing to do and you don't actually believe in it, or doing it because they said it's going to work, but you don't see how it's going to work, commit to yourself to do it for yourself. So that when you smile more at your spouse, smart contact behavior, because you're evoking positive emotions in them, it's not a fake smile. It's not a smile with your mouth, but sadness in your eyes. It's a genuine smile, right? How do we evoke positive emotions in someone? We tell them positive things about themselves. You're such a good dad. Thank you so much for picking up groceries. Oh, I can't believe you did the dishes. You're a lifesaver. Oh, you fixed the dishwasher. You're my hero. Those kinds of things evoke positive emotions in people. It's good, smart contact. But if you're doing it from a fake place, they will see right through it, because just like you know certain things about your spouse, they know those things too. So if you think that maybe you're doing smart contact from a mechanical place, from this robotic, is the right thing to do place, I challenge you to lay the guards down and make it a part of who you are. You're not doing smart contact. You're adopting smart contact as your new way of life. This is who I want to be. I want to be the kind of person who walks in a room and everyone immediately feels good about themselves, because the presence that I bring, the words that come out of my mouth, the expressions on my face are just positive emotion evoking.